Hi seniors, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to request your final transcripts that will go to your college that you're going to be attending in the fall, as well as update your interest in any of the applications to any colleges that you've applied to so far. Some of you might still be applying to, and that's okay. You can use this lesson as you see fit. So today we're on the home screen where it says Demo Steinkamp, and we're going to click here where it says Colleges I'm Applying to. And in this screen, you're going to see all the colleges that I'm applying to or have applied to. For this lesson, we're going to simply state that I'm going to be attending Iowa State in the fall, and I want to send my final transcript to Iowa State. So I'm going to click that box and push Request Transcripts. Some of you may have schools that want a mid-year transcript, which is totally fine. We should have those uploaded with your first semester transcript, I would say by the beginning of February. And you can send those if you need it. But in this case, Iowa State does not need a mid-year transcript. It just needs the final. So I'll click Final and Request and Finish. And it says that's successfully added, and Iowa State will be receiving that transcript. Another good feature about this, if you scroll down, is it says colleges where I'm attending, and you'll see all the colleges that I'm applying to. We would like to know what college that you're going to be attending to in the fall. And so if you could pick your college and update that interest, that will give us good data for the future as to where our Centennial students are going in the fall and how they are doing while they're at college. For the other three applications, I would like for all of you to update the result of your application. So if you go into Edit under the University of Iowa, I could give the result of I was accepted, I was denied, I was no decision yet, those types of things. We would like to know that information as well. So if you could update the application result, we can see if you've been accepted and kind of where you're going. Once again, the Iowa State, I'll be attending that in the fall, and you can update us on this interest. Please stop by and ask your counselor if you have any questions about this at all. Thank you.